Come on, come on. Oh, what happened? We must to change it. Yes, now our train will cross. Hello guys, welcome back to Fumikiri Motion. So now we need fruits to reach our Fumikiri station. So guys, first we reach in here first station. So what is there? We put it. It's orange. Yes. Oh, lemon also. Okay, good. I think it's enough for us. So here we go again for more fruits. Guys, support mine. Subscribe my channel and like my video. And also click on bell icon for more notification. So here we go. Last time we used it for many fruits. We get many fruits. Fumikiri Motion are always for fans. Oh, what happened there? There is cake. Okay guys, we will come back again. Now it's time for peanut. Get back.